Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well. So this is Anmol Bansal and today we will understand how to attempt periodic test. So let us see. First of all, you have to go to this link. Any link given to you for any exam, you have to click on that link like this. Then it will open in seconds. First of all, here at the title you have given the name of test, whether it is maths test, English test or Hindi test or any test. Here you have given the details, class, time and maximum marks. And the first one question to you is to write your full name below. So here you have to write your full name. Here you have to write your full name. So you have to tap in the space provided and click, and the keyboard will appear like this. So you have to write your name, like I am Anmol, so I write here Anmol Bansal. So you have to write your full name. Okay, then after writing your name you have to press next. Then the main exam will open up to you. So here I have used just sample questions, randomly I have used some questions to tell you how to attempt different types of questions. So in some of your tests you have given sections as well, section A, section B, section C, section D. So section wise you have to attempt the paper. You have not to worry about the section or what, you just have to attempt the question. So in here the question asked is what is your age. So you have to write I am 24, so 24 years. Okay, if your question is a little long, like you have to press, I am randomly typing this. Okay, so like this, if it is long, you need not to worry. That the question will shift to left hand side and the space will come like this. So you do not need to worry about it. Okay, so this is how you have to attempt short answers. Here if you have what is your height, so 5'5". So if you have to write any long answer question, you need not to worry. Automatically a double line enter will be applied to it, and like this you can write it. Okay, so whole question will be visible to you. So this is how you have to attempt long question answers. So our next sample question is MCQ. So if you have given a multiple choice question, so how first of all you have to read what question is, what were your major achievements in the past. This is a random question. So let's suppose the answer is B. So you have to click on the B option. So like this the answer will be attempted already. So this is how you have to attempt the MCQ question. Next, if you have given fill in the blanks, so how do you attempt fill in the blank? Suppose there are dash planets on the earth. Do not try to attempt here. It will the cursor will not move here. You have to write over here, the space provided, you have to write answer over here. So don't worry, click over here and write your answer. Okay, so I think you understand how to attempt fill in the blanks. Next, true false. Again in the true false you have to write answer in the space provided. Okay, so suppose you have given some long answer questions like letter writing, notice writing, paragraph writing, essay writing, any composition writing in English or Hindi, in any maths paper. You have to create equations. So don't worry, just try to, like here I have first of all let us take a format ABC city. Next, if you have to enter, suppose you have to write your place Kalka. Next you have to write state, enter, give it press the You have to press the given enter button over here, like it is given in the keyboard. Okay, so this is how you have to attempt to give it enter. Okay, if you have to take a full review, then like date, after that to whom we are writing the letter. Format I have already cleared to you, so don't worry about it. Dear, salutation, after the body. Okay, and after the body you have given the enter button on your keyboard. Use it for, do not also, you cannot also spoil your format. In a proper way you can attempt, or at the last if you have to write yours faithfully. Okay, next name Anmol. I think you understand how to attempt any letter or any paragraph. You have to just use in any letter or any long composition, this enter button is provided to you. You have to attempt it properly. After attempting every question, and this is important, that do not leave any question. Attempt all the questions given. You have to be allotted a time, that 1.5 hours for, I think, periodic tests. So for that, after attempting all the questions, submit here. Click on this submit button. You have to click on this submit button. Click. Your test will be submitted, and you have this pop-up message. You have received a pop-up message like this. Your response has been recorded. If the time allotted you, suppose you have given time from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. so you have to attempt till 10:30 a.m. If you submitted test after 10:30, then it will not be considered your test and your marks will be deducted. So be honest and be time punctual. Attempt in the given time and submitted it on the proper time. So thank you students. I hope you understand how to attempt the periodic test online. If you have any problem, then please do contact me. Thank you.